Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Arcsin of x plus arccosx of x equals to b over 2. So we have arccosx of x. So I will put this one go to the right. And we have b over 2 minus arcsin of x. Now we need to change this one into this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to arcsin of x. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the x over the square root of 1 minus s squared. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u. The s over the square root of 1 minus s squared we change by the u. Next, the square root of u I will put outside. This one we have the square root of u to the power of 2. Now we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to the square root of u. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u over number 2 with the square root of u. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to put number 2 go to the left. So this one we change by t. The u over the square root of u we change by 2 dt. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about t equals to the square root of b over 2. And I will put about sin z, because if I put this one go here, we have b over 2 sin z squared, b over 2, b over 2. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sin z squared we change by cosine z squared, and later that we simplify the square root and dt. So we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the square root of b over 2 cosine z dz. So this one I will put in here. Dt we change by this one. So this one we have b over 2 sin z squared. So b over 2, b over 2, we can do about factorization. This one we change by cosine z square. The square root of cosine z square, we have cosine z. Later that, we simplify on numerator and denominator. The integration of dz, we have z and I will put about c. About z, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of b over 2. And now we have the value of z equal to outside of this one. So I will put this one to change for z. About t, that is about the square root of u. About u, that is about outside of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.